Hi, watching Das Overa. This is Amarpal Singh before you, marking National Sports Day today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi he addressed the young leaders of the nation under the nationwide campaign Khelo India Dialogue. So today, an event was organized over here at Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Sciences University. We are having with us Dr. Nidhi Sharma, who is the program coordinator over here. Welcome, ma'am, to Das Overa first of all.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Ma'am, what was the main idea behind organizing this event, and what message you have carried away from Prime Minister Narendra Modi address?
Yes. Sir, since we all know that National Sports Day is round the corner, it's on August 29th. So, in the context of the same day, to celebrate, to motivate our youth, the main idea was to hear to the vision of Honorable Prime Minister Sir and listening to the vision for the sports person from the horse's mouth, none other than the Honorable PM Sir, was a great opportunity for our students. For that, I thank the District Youth Officer, Harish Rupal Sir, for allowing us this opportunity for taking our university as the most prestigious university to have this interaction with the Honorable PM Sir. And also, we could arrange some in person sports players from volleyball, from weightlifting, from soft tennis, internationally, who have internationally played or they have represented nation many times. So those sports persons also interacted with our students. We have Madam Vani Puri ji, international weightlifter. So I thank her also standing next to me for sparing time and motivating our students. And she also mentioned that how in the sports quota she got appointed in the railways in Kapurthala. So that is also one added advantage that the students came to know that what sports can bring to their personal up grooming.
Right. And what message you carried away from today's Narendra Modi address, which catch your attention basically?
The two lines that PM Sir said that we should move away from the screens to the sports arena and from the play stations to the playground. So उन्होंने कहा कि इनकी from screen से ज़्यादा sports centers की importance है और play station से ज़्यादा हमारे प्ले ग्राउंड्स की इम्पोर्टेंस है सो दैट एंड ही ऑल्सो गेव अ गुड बजट ऑल्सो फॉर द स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनस ही कन्वेड अस कि किस तरह से बच्चे आ सकते हैं नई टेक्नोलॉजी आ रही है इट इज़ नॉट लिमिटेड टू ओनली स्पोर्ट्स इट इज़ इन द फिजियोथेरेपी इन द डाइट इन द टेक्नोलॉजी इन द equipment so everything in everywhere technology is coming and sports sphere is also widening
Right.
हाँ जी
So we are also having with us a youth icon with us, Vani Puri, who is an medalist, national medalist in the weightlifting. So welcome to Doswira first of all.
Thank you so much.
What do you want to say? How you began your journey, and what is your views regarding the Khelo India campaign of the country?
खेलो इंडिया जो कैंपेन चल रही है कंट्री में पीएम जी चला रहे हैं नरेंद्र मोदी जी उनके कारण स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत ज़्यादा पहले इतने मेडल्स नहीं आते थे लेकिन उनकी स्कीम्स के कारण इतना उन्होंने 36,000 करोड़ का बजट जो उन्होंने ऐलान किया है उनके कारण काफ़ी ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट आई है स्पोर्ट्स में इतने मेडल्स और आगे आए हैं स्पोर्ट्स साइंस में टेक्नोलॉजीज़ में जैसे डॉक्टर निधि ने बोला कि बहुत ज़्यादा डाइट में इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में इक्विपमेंट्स में जो बच्चों को नहीं मिल पाती थी विलेज लेवल तक वो अब टैलेंट के कारण बच्चे ऊपर आ रहे हैं और इतना ज़्यादा मेडल्स मिल रहे हैं बच्चों को उनके कारण दिख रहा है अभी हमें कि मेडल्स इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं
Can you share brief about your journey, how you stepped into the sports, into weightlifting especially, and what kind of struggle you have faced in your journey?
लाइक मेरे फादर वॉज एन एथलीट टू तो उनको ही देख के मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा मिला है कि मैंने स्पोर्ट्स में करना है तो मैंने 6 years ago मैंने वेट लिफ्टिंग स्टार्ट किया और थ्रू द डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल धीरे धीरे स्टेट नेशनल्स एंड आगे इंटरनेशनल कॉम्पिटिशन्स के ट्रायल्स एंड ये सब करना धीरे धीरे थ्रू पेशेंस एंड कंसिस्टेंसी कि जैसे मैंने बोला कि हार्ड वर्क 3 टाइम दिन में ट्रेनिंग करना अपना डाइट लेना रेस्ट करना सिर्फ ट्रेनिंग डाइट एंड रेस्ट 3 चीज़ें अगर हमारी ये अच्छी होंगी तो हम ऑटोमेटिकली स्पोर्ट्स में इम्प्रूव करेंगे हमारी पर्सनल ग्रोथ तो होती है और हम नेशन को भी रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं अपना फैमिली का नाम रोशन करते हैं अपने कोच का नाम रोशन करते हैं तो वर्ल्ड वाइड हमें स्पोर्ट्स में अपनी हेल्थ के लिए भी और नेशन के लिए भी हमें कहीं ना कहीं ग्रोथ मिलती है
What message you want to convey to the budding sports person or the young leaders?
मैसेज यही है कि आप कुछ ना कुछ तो स्पोर्ट्स करो कि आप खुद की ग्रोथ के लिए भी आप नेशन में कहीं ना कहीं अपना योगदान डालो। कि अब जैसे मैं स्पोर्ट्स कोटा में रिक्रूट हुई हूँ, जो कि बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि हमें मिली है। ये नहीं है कि हमें सिर्फ नेशन की मेडल्स मिलके नेशन का नाम ऊंचा हो रहा है, हमें हमारी पर्सनल ग्रोथ में मिल रही है। हमारा करियर एक जगह पे स्टेबल हुआ है कि हमें पता है कि हम अगर स्पोर्ट्स कर रहे हैं तो खाली उसका व्यर्थ हमें जाएगा नहीं। तो यही है कि स्पोर्ट्स करो, अपनी हेल्थ अच्छी रखो, नेशन का नाम ऊंचा करो, अपने फैमिली का, अपने कोच का और अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट का, अपनी स्टेट का नाम ऊंचा करो।
What kind of support you are giving from the central government and state government as of now?
आई एम खेलो इंडिया स्कीम एथलीट हूँ, जो मेरे को फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस मिलती है। और मैं अभी स्पोर्ट्स कोटा के थ्रू रेलवेज़ में रिक्रूट हुई हूँ, जिससे मुझे उधर से भी फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंट मिलती है। और जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट के जो हमारे स्पोर्ट्स ऑफिसर्स हैं, वो भी हमें फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंट भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं। और हमारे जो स्पोर्ट्स में इक्विपमेंट्स हैं या हमें कोई भी ज़रूरत है, किसी भी दिक्कत में हमें आ रही है, तो वो हमें काफ़ी हेल्प करते हैं।
So we are also having with us district youth officer with us. Sir, what do you want to say about this initiative?
ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਹਰੀਸ਼ ਰੁਪਾਲ ਹੈ। ਮੈਂ ਜ਼ਿਲ੍ਹਾ ਯੁਵਾ ਅਧਿਕਾਰੀ ਯੁਵਾ ਕਾਰਜਕ੍ਰਮ ਖੇਲ ਮੰਤਰਾਲੇ ਭਾਰਤ ਸਰਕਾਰ। ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਇਹ ਜੋ ਖੇਲੋ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਡਾਇਲੋਗ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਸੀਗਾ, ਉਹਦਾ ਮੇਨ ਮੋਟਿਵ ਸਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰਮੋਟ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ। ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਐਥਲੀਟਸ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਅਚੀਵਮੈਂਟਸ ਦੇ ਥਰੂ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ, ਆਪਣੇ ਸਟੇਟ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ, ਆਪਣੇ ਜ਼ਿਲ੍ਹੇ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ। ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਯੂਥ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਇਹ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਨਸ਼ਾ ਮੁਕਤ ਭਾਰਤ ਅਭਿਆਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਸੰਕਲਪ ਆ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ, ਨਸ਼ਾ ਤਿਆਗੋ ਤੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਓ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਰੋਸ਼ਨ ਕਰੋ।
Dr. Naresh ji, how you are observing today's youngsters and what message you want to convey on this day?
Yeah, our country is representing almost 60-65% of the youth, and I feel they are the future of the country. And this particular program, which Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Sir has initiated with the 100 crore project, which is really starting a new era in our country. And I feel that this particular platform which Prime Minister has created, our youth has got a great opportunity to capture their talents. And our Prime Minister, from the beginning, from bottom to top, I think they have already established a screening process. They will identify the real talents in the country. And he has mentioned that many of the sports where our country is not at all representing, I personally feel that he is bringing those talents also in those specific area. So that is a beauty of the Prime Minister which has mentioned today. So I think I'll say to my youth in the country that they should grab this opportunity. They should build up their future in the sports and sports activity. And I will say that this is not a simple journey.
Right.
You see, the way you put a gold in the fire, it shines more.
Exactly.
So similar case is you see every field. So here it's not a easy cake. You will have to have some inherent characteristics, you see, inbuilt in you. Only then you can go through this path. So I feel devotion, that 5D I'll give to my youths.
Ji.
These 5D are very important. One is devotion. The devotion should be just like you see Bharata in Ramayana. You see, he sacrificed everything, and he was bringing Rama back to, you see, that kind of sacrifice our youth should have if they really want to go up to that level.
Right.
So dedication is the another thing. You say that Lakshmana, 14 years he couldn't sleep
Right.
just because to serve the Rama. So our youth should have that kind of dedication.
Right.
And then discipline, third, is very important factor. Unless until you don't have discipline, you cannot have that kind of a success. And then you see determination. They should be focused on their targets. Failure, success is a separate thing.
Right.
You should put your excellence in your all activities. If you put your excellence in all your activities, definitely that determination will bring you success. So that is another thing. And discrimination means at every step you will have to discriminate discrimination doesn't mean, it means that you should do what is right and what is wrong.
Right,
You will have to evaluate your process
Right.
and do the right thing. Stop, go out from the wrong things.
Right.
So these 5 days, if my youth will really recognize and they will adopt in their life, I think our many of the sports who excel in this area, they must be understanding these 5 Ds are very important. And I wish all my youth a great success, and they should definitely, they will fulfill the dreams of not only the Prime Minister, but it is the nation. Will definitely becomes a Viksit Bharat 2047. Thank you.
So 5D's message has been given: devotion, dedication, determination, discrimination. And we will also talk to us. We are having the representative of My Bharat. What do you want to say about today's initiative? And like you are regularly interacting with the youngsters. So what message you want to convey to them?
Youth is not only the future of our nation, youth is the present of our nation as well. So the initiative which was taken under the guidance of our DYO sir, Mr. Harish Rupal sir, and with the Association of Authorities of PAU, this initiative made us realize that in which direction we have to work for the developed nation, as the vision is to make developed nation by 2047. How we as My Bharat volunteers, My Bharat basically means Mera Yuva Bharat. So how the youth can contribute to the nation, and my message to the youth is stay guided, stay focused, you will definitely achieve your goal.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes.
So as a country is heading toward the developed nation with an objective to make India a developed country, and they are also eyeing towards the Olympics 2026. So such kind of initiatives are being taken to involve the youngsters into this positive steps into, so that they can step into the sports, they can participate, they can represent the country at the international level. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to Daswira for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.